Meiosis consists of two divisions, both of which follow the same stages as mitosis. The stages are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Meiosis is preceded by interphase, in which DNA is replicated to produce chromosomes consisting of two sister chromatids. A second growth phase called interkinesis may occur between meiosis 1 and 2. However, no DNA replication occurs on this stage. Meiosis 1. The first meiotic division is a reduction division, in which homologous chromosomes are separated. So here are the stages of meiosis 1. The first stage is the prophase 1. The events that happens on this stage are chromosomes condense, nuclear membrane dissolves, homologous chromosomes form bivalence, and crossing over occurs. The second stage on meiosis 1 is the metaphase 1. The events that happens on this stage are spindle fibers from opposing centrosomes connect to bivalents at centromeres and align them along the middle of the cell. The third stage is the anaphase 1. The events that happens on this stage are spindle fibers contract and split the bivalent. Homologous chromosomes move to opposite poles of the cell. And lastly, the last stage of the meiosis 1 is the telophase 1. The events that happens on this stage is chromosomes decondense, nuclear membrane may reform, cell divides by cytokinesis to form two haploid daughter cells. Now you know the first stage of meiosis or the first division. Let's move on to the second division or meiosis 2. The second division separates sister chromatids. These chromatids may not be identical due to crossing over in prophase 1. It is also the same stage as meiosis 1. It starts with prophase 2 and ends with telophase 2. The first stage is the prophase 2. The events that happens on this stage are chromosomes condense, nuclear membrane dissolves, centrosomes move to opposite poles, and its movement is perpendicular to before. And the second stage is the metaphase 2. The events that happen on this stage are spindle fibers from opposing centrosomes attach to chromosomes at centromere and align them along the cell equator. The third stage is the anaphase 2. The events that happens on this stage is spindle fibers contract and separate the sister chromatids. Chromatids move to opposite poles. And lastly, the telophase 2. The events that happens on this stage are chromosomes decondense, nuclear membrane reforms, cell divide by cytokinesis to form four haploid daughter cells. The final outcome of meiosis is the production of four haploid daughter cells. These cells may all be genetically distinct if crossing over occurs in prophase 1. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you learned something about these two divisions of meiosis.